Hello everyone, this is Vlad from the Eternity team, and I'm doing this short video to just show you how easy it is to send A tokens to basically anyone with an email address using the ArkaneNetwork Eternity wallet. Um, so yes, this wallet was actually created thanks to the efforts of Marco from the community who developed the Java SDK. And thanks to his efforts, the ArkaneNetwork were able to incorporate the Eternity wallet inside their solution. And let me show you how you can use it at this point. And actually, the functionalities will increase in time. The Eternity wallet here in the ArkaneNetwork will be also supporting Eternity smart contracts, and soon it will also be supporting state channels in the naming system. But let me just, for now, just focus on the way of how to send A tokens to anyone using this ArkaneNetwork solution. So what you need to go to do is just go to the ArkaneNetwork, and that's arkane.network. That's the URL. You don't see it here in this video, but it's just arkane.network. So you go there and you need to sign up, of course. This is if you want to send tokens to anyone. And I'm already signed up, so I'm just gonna log in, but you just need to create an account. It's not very hard. You can do it with Google or Facebook. So I'm just gonna log in now. And once you're in, you see it immediately goes to the ArkaneNetwork, to the Eternity wallet in the ArkaneNetwork. I have also a Bitcoin wallet, but generally the first screen that you see that when you register for the first time is this, and you see Eternity right here to the right. So you just press there, press Eternity, and you'll be able to create a new wallet. I'm just gonna go back to the wallet that I already created, and I have credited this with some tokens. I did a little test here to see how it will go. So it's super easy. So once you are inside and you have some tokens here, you can send these to any email address out there. And that's pretty cool, I would say. So what you need to do is go to transactions and enter an address here. And I have created a public address in Mailinator just for the sake of this exercise. So that I can keep my my emails private, and that like nobody sees the headers of the emails that I have received if I use my regular emails. So what you need to do is simply write an email address here, and you see you can send it to wallets, and what we're doing here is just email. So that's pretty cool. And here just put whatever amount you want to send. And once this is done, let me just check nater.com. Okay, that's fine. I'm just gonna send the funds, and you press send, and then this dialog comes up, and you need to enter your PIN for additional security. And you see it's coming from here, from the non-fungible Pelican address. That's the name that ArkaneNetwork gave to my wallet. It's pretty funny. And it will go to this email address. And you just press confirm now. And the transaction is done. You see a confirmation here up. I can also see the transaction in the A no. And what you need to do now is go to the email that you sent. Well, you don't have to do it, but whoever has the email will see a new email there. So I'm just gonna go here and see. A moment ago, a new email was received. There's a little problem here in the wording. To send, there is a spacing, but that's totally fine. And you see that basically have this dialog here. Whoever is receiving this needs to create an Eternity Arkane wallet, and they will receive the 5A tokens that have been sent. And it connects you to the login screen, but actually if you don't have an account already, you need to create it. So once you create the account, you can claim the tokens, and then you also have an Eternity wallet. So that's also pretty cool. And that's my short video, guys. I hope you like it, and I hope you can um, use the Eternity Arcane wallet to send some A tokens to friends or family or whoever you want. All right, that signing out. Bye bye, guys.